Hi, here's your sound clip of this 20-inch Shaman oval frame drum. She came out amazing, made out of goat skin. Nice 4-directional handle, goat lace. The hoop is stained a darker color. I don't know if you can see that. Just a really, really cool, neat drum. I'll go ahead and play. I'm going to use the Sound Healing drum beater. Here we go. You might want to put earbuds or headphones on for better sound quality. Okay, here we go. Alright, hope this video is some help. Thank you.